Today I received a package from China that I've been waiting for. It's supposed to be seasons 1 through 7 of Game of Thrones, and I am going to find out whether it's genuine or counterfeit. Let's open it up and see. This is how it came packaged, wrapped in lots of tape and feels like bubble wrap underneath. Careful not to cut through the packaging. Lots of bubble wrap, seems to be well packaged. Let's find out what's inside. Okay, looks promising so far. It's embossed. It's shrink wrapped. It's not folded shrink wrap. How does the print look? Doesn't look blurry. However, I don't see a UPC code on the box. Oh, nope, there it is. I'm blind. I was looking for it down here. Alright, let's see what's inside. Everything is raised, embossed. Some detail here. There's embossed detail here in the wolf. It's not just flat. An embossed detail on these two figures in the front. And this is the DVD set, not the Blu-ray set. Whoops, there they fell out this side. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Let's take a look at number 1. It's not shattered. It's supposed to be region 1. Actually, where's the region on the box? If I'm blind, excuse me. Well, maybe it doesn't say. Is there a region code on the inside packet? Oh, wrong way. Don't know. Looks like a Canadian logo here. Alright, let's look inside. Okay. Let's take a look at one of the discs. See whether it's a burned disc or whether it's a real disc. Disc 2. Well, good news is it looks real. This is silver. It's not purple, blue. Don't know what this is here. Kind of an artifact. This looks like a little piece of fuzz that's got stuck between the stamping and the plastic. I don't know if this is readable. There's some microprint here. Let me just get some alternative glasses. It says well, there's numbers. I don't see anything about HBO or anything on here. Just see numbers. Okay. I've seen other videos of people who've opened these packages, and when they open theirs, this first layer would open up and you could read the episode guide behind it. But in this case, the episode guide is hiding behind the first two discs. It's not on a hinged layer. Well, leave some comments and let me know what you think. Is this the real article, or is this a fake, a very good fake? Some defect in here. I don't know if you can see that defect. Maybe you can't see it in the camera. It's right there. Although the discs looked very good once I opened them, I also discovered that some of the files are in English and some of the audio files are in French. Have a look at this. Let's move all the way to the end and you can see the transition.
Very nice dagger.
If they haven't contributed the right amount of grain to the stores, then I'm afraid they'll have to make do with what they've brought.
That was English, and let's look at the beginning of the next file.
Il est exclu. Je ne me suis pas entraînée depuis longtemps.
Je peux faire venir le maître d'armes si vous voulez.
Il n'a pas vaincu le limier.
I think it's clear to say this is genuinely a counterfeit. One more check. I discovered that there's no copy protection on this DVD either. I can copy. I can open a folder and I can paste. That was quick because it was cached. I'd already done it once before. Can copy and I can paste. This should not be allowed. Another check I made was to look at the frame rate. This is Season 1, Disc 4, randomly picked one. And I discovered that this file has a frame rate of 30 frames per second. This video file has a frame rate of 24 frames per second. That's not good either. All right. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.